Oh, yeah. I think I should check their website. Yeah. 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 There's also a live streaming group on Sacramento too, about that one live streaming should do this in the things. The Children's Park, that's the one around there. There's a place up in Sacramento. Oh, okay, did you go to that? Oh, you did? Okay. I worked at 2 years in the Rose in Operation Lifesaver.